Hi, Santa!
Run out there.
I'll do it later. He's coming here. Hello, Santa.
Kara, come out here. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Kara, come out here.
How about some candy cane?
Yay!
Run over there, Kara.
Tell me about this elf.
It's my elf, Krista.
What are you saying?
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
And what about your elf?
Tell them about your elves.
This is my elf, Krista.
What do you do with your elf? Yeah, you write letters, and what does your elf do? And what else does your elf do?
Hi.
Keep an eye on you?
It's about the time of year when they do crazy
Look
things
outside.
like
Come outside.
These
Okay, all right.
these
Come on out. You're
these make
cute.
sure they pay they
I've been hearing good things
All right.
about you guys.
yeah.
My friends are coming out in
Yeah.
a minute.
Okay.
Here they
Have you
come.
guys been thinking about what kind of cookies you're going to leave for me this year?
I was thinking about cupcakes, maybe.
Cupcakes, very good. A little
Here's my
something
friends.
different. I like that. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Come get a candy cane.
Cooper and Charlie, come on down.
You can get a candy cane, guys. And talk
I
to
do.
Santa.
I
Mrs.
don't
Claus.
Can't get too many candy.
That is the best sleigh ever.
That is a rocking sleigh. The elves did a good job again this year.
That is awesome.
They like to get us down on the ground so we can enjoy the Christmas decorations.
Right.
We try to stay away from the North Pole the last few days.
It's too
Boy
busy.
wrapping line runs nonstop around here. So Santa gets
Trying to
a
get
little
out of
break,
the work,
gets a
out of
little
work.
rest.
There you go.
Okay, was
Bye,
that
bye.
it? Or anybody else coming?
I think that's it.
Okay.
Charlie and Cooper.
Haley, watch out.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas, Santa!
Okay.
Bye!
Don't forget about those cookies.
That's right.
We'll have them ready, hot and ready to go.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. That was good.
Bye, Santa!
We just drove in.
Okay.
I love
Too funny.